In a quiet apartment, a couple fights fatigue as one stays up late while the other longs for sleep across weeks of growing trust. Maya and Theo navigate how mismatched sleep becomes an emotional signal, sparking frustration and tender care. Experts explain sleep is a key attachment cue. Circadian drift heightens cortisol and narrows empathy unless routines reset. Theo suggests a wind-down ritual. Maya tests bedside quiet and predictable hours, transforming tension into collaboration. The lesson is practical: name needs, try small rituals, and commit to steady support for lasting connection.